Hello friends, this is Dr. Arpana. I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. So I am a practicing homeopathy consultant, and in this channel we talk about the various diseases and what is the role and scope of homeopathy in the different kind of diseases. And today we will be discussing about brain fog and a very important medicine in homeopathy which is used for the condition which is known as Picricum acidum or picric acid. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon so that whenever I publish any new video, you are always updated. Also, if you wish to join live consultations with me and ask your questions through live chat, you need to join. So you can see that after every video there is a join button. You need to press the join button and then you will be getting all the details for being a part of the live consultation. So let's get started. So today we will be discussing about the homeopathic medicine Picricum acidum and the role of this medicine in brain fog. So have you ever experienced that you are so much fatigued, you are feeling so much tired that you cannot even think a bit, even a little bit of thinking will bring on the headache? Or maybe you will feel congestion in your head or pain in the vertex or pain in the occiput. So this is the kind of symptoms or this is the kind of brain fog or nervous exhaustion that we see in the medicine Picricum acidum. So what happens is there is a dilution in picric acidum, and in this picric acid the dilution is that your forehead is extending to the clouds or maybe your tongue is extending to the cloud. So how this dilution is coming up? So basically our intelligence or what we know, we can express it through either our speech or by writing. So in case of Picricum acidum, the mind and the brain feels so much exhausted and so much overworked that it feels that it has reached its optimal level or it has reached the saturation point, and so there is a delusion that the forehead is extending to the clouds or the tongue is extending to the clouds and you cannot think more or you cannot work more. Picricum acidum is a very good medicine to be given in case of children, those who are preparing for competitive examinations and there is a kind of brain fog and they feel that they may forget everything and they cannot perform well in the exam. So in this case Picricum acidum can be given. Also it can be given to those who are working late night and work from home and lot of work pressure, you have to meet your targets, and that is the time when you are having this amount of brain fog, congestion, headache, and then you can think about this medicine Picricum acidum. So in this medicine we see that there is headache. The headache is particularly on the vertex or the occiput. Along with the headache there is also some kind of tinnitus or buzzing or ringing in the ear, which is more when you are anxious or maybe when there is you are not having a proper sleep and there is anxiety, you can feel this thing. Now Picricum acidum is also a very good medicine for weakness especially of the lower limbs. So it starts with a simple weariness which progresses to a paralysis or a paralytic condition. So that is the amount of weakness that we see on the physical level in case of Picricum acidum, and we see that there is ascending type of paralysis. So the lower limbs are affected, so you will feel weakness in the lower limbs. There will be difficulty in getting up from bed or getting up from your seat and maybe taking a walk. It will be difficult for you because of the weakness that you are having. Now in this we can also see that there is some kind of urinary retention. There will be difficulty in passing urine, so it can be used in early stages of prostatic hypertrophy. It can also cover the symptoms of priapism. Now as I said that the intelligence or what we know, we can express it through either our speech or maybe by writing. So we also see a kind of writing disorder or writer's cramp or cramps when you are trying to write in case of Picricum acidum, if it has come out of the exhaustion or overwork or fatigue. So friends, this is all about the homeopathic medicine Picricum acidum or picric acid, and the chemical name is trinitrophenol, which can be used for brain fog, and it's a top medicine in homeopathy for brain fog. I hope you have enjoyed the video, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and of course join so that you can be a part of the live consultation and ask your questions directly through the live consultations. Friends, if you wish to book an appointment, you need to send a message through WhatsApp in my office number. The number is already given to you. You can send a message through WhatsApp and you will be given all the details about booking an appointment from my office. If you wish to speak to me over the phone, that too is possible with the help of an app. All the details are already given to you. So that is all for today. Have a nice and wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much for watching.